Welcome back. You are now looking at version 8 of the screen sharing and recording program Camtasia. And we're looking at this application because we're going to use it in order to edit our Zoom recording. Now you may not have Camtasia, so you'll be able to use any editing program to edit your recording as long as it can edit MP4 recordings. So what we're going to do is we're going to then take our file command and then we're going to import the media into our clip bin. Once we have the video there, all we're going to do is we're going to add it to our timeline. Now every editing program is slightly different. However, you are going to have a timeline available to you. You are going to be able to view both the audio and video in your recording. Now if you are using Camtasia, one of the things that you can do is you can then separate the audio from the video. We're going to do that by right-clicking and then adding separate audio and video. We can then move through the content in real time, come to the position where we want to edit out the portion that we want, and then we will then stretch the timeline indicator and then we'll cut that piece out of the recording. Now whenever we make edits to Camtasia or any other editing program, what we're basically doing is we're creating a different file, which is a project file. And so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to then take our changes as they exist right now, and we're going to save them in a project file for the changes as well as the file. This way we don't make changes to the actual file. What we make changes to is the project. And so we're going to save this entire project. And you'll notice then that we have saved a Camtasia project. And you'll also notice that the file name has now changed to a different file name. And this is a project file. So once again, all we have in the project file are the changes we made to the file that we imported. We did not make changes to that actual file. And so we'll continue to make edits to this file. We can choose to add in music at the end and at any point where we want to do that. So basically what we want to do is we want to use our video editor to add on any branding and any other information that we want to be in the video and remove that information that we don't want to show up in the video. In some cases, we may discover that we have sensitive information inside of our video. And so what we'll want to do in Camtasia is we'll want to add a callout. Now once again, this is going to be different in any video editing application that you want. However, this is a common feature that you'll want to find. You'll want to add in that feature. In this case, we're going to change a certain part of this to a blur. And we can stretch it to the point in the timeline where we want it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.